Hey guys, I'm here to talk about game design art and why I chose this topic. I chose this topic because I like game design art. I like the way the art looks in the games, and I love playing games, so I would like to use my skills as an artist to make games and be part of the community that makes my favourite games. How I was inspired. Here are some examples of game art, and the game art that inspired me. I was inspired by playing games and seeing everybody's own game art projects. Also seeing how far they got from creating their own projects and what jobs they got offered. This inspired me to create my own game art projects and create a portfolio of my own work to show people what I can do. It means a lot for me to achieve this because it's what I want to do for my future career and explore the world of creating games and be part of the teams that create games. The history of game design art. The first game art was pixels in 1978, which was used in Space Invaders. The next one was vector graphics in 1982, where they are lines and you can see them when you're doing mathematical calculations. The next one is isometric 3D. This was the first time 2D graphics were three-dimensional flat. Then there was rotoscoping in 1984. The graphics was used for the movements of the characters. The big change for graphics was in 2014 with Call of Duty Advanced Warfare, which used photorealism. It would use the actor's face, body and voice for the characters in the games. About the game Call of Duty Black Ops 4. It's the most popular game, and the company that made this game is Treyarch, which is my dream company to go and work for. It's basically like a multiplayer game where people can join all over the world, play with their friends and help each other. The game art in it is so realistic and has so much details in them. The maps in the game look and sound realistic. The waves in the water, the sound and the looks of objects and other type of creatures. The characters and their special ability and weapons, I think that is the great art in the game. Here are the examples of them. I like the way this one looks. This character is called Firebreak. His specialist is a powerful flamethrower and has radiation core. The art shows the radiation from the active core and the details showing the heat core pipes and the colour and the radiation surrounding him. The next one is Nomad. His specialist is K9 Dog and Trip Mine. I like the way the detail of the dog looks and the background showing the art. And you can see the leaves, the dog's features, the teeth, the slobber, etc. The character, you can see the gear he is wearing is so much details knowing what he is wearing. The next game is Fortnite. The game art in this game is futuristic and cartoony. It's very colourful and festive. This is a very artistic, for example, in this picture, as you can see, a purple, blue, smoky, cloudy sky. In the middle is part of the land and that has lifted into the air by a force tornado. And the background with trees, grass and mountain. The new games is Anthem. This game is about future people wearing exosuits. The artwork of this game is beautiful. It's so jungle-like and the environment is so realistic. There is waterfall that falls perfectly the way the weather is, sunny, raining. See the work on the machines and accessories who are installed into the suits. There are different types of suits: Ranger, Colossus, Storm and Interceptor. Game art. 3D is creating for games and putting in 3D, which is like if you're standing in one position, the rest of the world is stretched out and the objects are very detailed and see the character's entire body and features. Characters are the main point in the games. Without the characters, there's no point in creating the games. When game artists create the characters, they focus on facial features: hair, beard, eye shape or nose, mouth, what their facial expression looks like all the time. Also focusing on the clothing, what kind of style that suits them. There's environment, it's creating the art of the maps, creating objects, jungle, desert, cities, and creating the weather. Concept artist, that create the environment, characters, vehicles, creatures, and other type of assets that will be in the game that they are creating. They make sure that the arts they make are ready for the animators that code the arts into the game. That's it from the video. I hope you enjoyed.